Okay, so the travel ban has finally been lifted. We're free to move about the state once again. It's funny, they lifted the travel ban, but they still urge you to not go out. But I have cabin fever, and I'm out of Keurig K-Cups, and I can't be without coffee. Especially after shoveling and blowing all this crappy snow. And it's funny because the sun is out, which is awesome. I'll put my sunglasses on, because I hate when the sun reflects off the bright white snow. Plus I look cool with them on. So anyways, we're going to, I guess I don't need the hat. We're going to take a look and see what things look like elsewhere in Rhode Island. So this is the first time I've seen anything but my street. So here we go. Alright, well, so I did my shopping at Walmart, picked up my shit, and now it's time to make my way back home, and we'll see a little bit more of the aftermath of the blizzard of 2013. Okay, talk to you later.